Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow 14th June, and the first stock is Dr. Reddy. This we can buy above 5510. Then we have Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel, it has given a breakout after nice consolidation. Levels I am not providing as it is closed around day high, and most probably it will break the day high in first 5 minute candle, so you can wait for first 5 minute candle, and after that you can buy if it breaks high of the first 5 minute candle. Then we have About India, we have to buy of 16,405. This high is 16,400. 5 points I am just giving buffer. Then we have JSL Hisar. This we have to buy of 200. And we have Persistent. This we have to buy of 2560. Green ply we have to buy above 225. Then we have Jindal Stainless JSL. This we have to buy above 107. And then we have Thyrocare. This we can buy above day high 1246 or safe side 1250. Then we have Minda Industry. This we can buy above 615. Rapco Home. This we can buy above 387. Or safe side we can buy above 390, which is round figure. Then we have Maharashtra Seamless. This is making kind of inverted head and shoulder. We can buy above 315. The day high is 313.50. We will keep round figure 315. Then we have, and this stock is a little volatile, so better prefer buying in cash. Though MIS is available, but it will be good if you buy in cash or keep your quantity less. Then we have Chrysil. Chrysil you can buy above. If I say in weekly chart, there is a kind of breakout which can come. So we'll buy out this week high 2503. Then we have DFM Foods. DFM Foods has given a long-term breakout. We can buy up day high 455. These all are cash stocks now. Ace Construction we can buy up 200, and there is one small resistance around 204.50. Salasar, this we can buy if it gives this breakout of 5 candles high, so around 698 or 700 safe side. Philatex we can buy above day high 1012, sorry 112.50. Then we have Confidence Petro, Confipet, this we can buy above 68. Then we have Healthcare Global HSG, this we can buy above 203. This is also giving a kind of breakout, but didn't sustain, but closing is still good. If it breaks high, we can buy. Then we have Sovereign Pharma. Sorry, this is Sovereign Life Science. So this Sovereign Life Science we can buy above 103. And then we have MSTC Limited. This we can buy for swing also if it closes above 287, and we can buy in intraday also. Tirumala Chem already I told in last video. So you can buy this still. You can buy. This is given a kind of breakout flag pattern. So this is still a buy. You can buy. And then we have Mahindra Irrigation. This also I have told in last video. So this also you can add. Still you can buy this. So this is for tomorrow. Thanks everyone.